Welcome to our channel, where we simplified neuroscience for you in just a few minutes. Why do we feel sleepy only when nighttime rolls around? The answer lies with the sleep hormone, melatonin. Let's find out. The hormone of darkness, melatonin, is a derivative of serotonin. Although melatonin is produced by various tissues in our body, including the retina and other organs, its major source is the pineal gland in the brain. The production and release of melatonin from the pineal gland occur with a clear circadian rhythm, with peak levels being produced at night. The suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, of the anterior hypothalamus is the master clock that controls circadian rhythms in mammals and simulates neural input for melatonin production at night. Once produced, the melatonin is secreted into the bloodstream and cerebrospinal fluid, which is the fluid surrounding the brain and spinal cord. From here, it conveys signals to distant organs. Rising melatonin levels at night are associated with lower blood pressure and body temperature and an increase in tiredness. Its production can be inhibited by bright light at night, especially exposure to blue wavelength light. However, darkness during the day will not increase its production. In addition to a circadian rhythm, melatonin levels are also affected by a seasonal or circannual rhythm, a natural calendar of sorts. We therefore have higher levels of melatonin in winter and autumn and lower levels in spring and summer. Now you know why we just want to snuggle up and snooze in winters. In many animals and birds, the circannual rhythm is essential for the regulation of their body's seasonal biology, including hibernation, migration, reproduction, and coat growth in response to changing seasons. Melatonin is believed to have several other functions as well, like modulating immune system activity and acting as an antioxidant and free radical scavenger. Primarily, however, circulating melatonin levels provide our body's physiology with a clock and calendar. As humans, our ability to fall asleep at our usual bedtime and the robustness of the circadian cycle are both reinforced by the interaction of melatonin with MT1 and MT2 receptors, which are highly concentrated in the SCN. While it could vary slightly from person to person, the normally coordinated functioning of the circadian and homeostatic processes promotes our nighttime sleep of about 8 hours and daytime wakefulness of about 16 hours. Typically, we're the most alert in the early evening compared to any other time because the SCN-driven circadian system counters the homeostatic sleepiness that has accumulated since you woke up. Today, melatonin is administered for short-term use to treat age-associated insomnia and jet lag. Side effects include bleeding, depression, and high blood pressure. We'll leave you with a fun fact. While blue light is melatonin's arch nemesis, red light is its best friend, making it the perfect option for nightlights. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button, click on subscribe, and hit the notification bell to catch our next episode.